right.
Hello guys, how are you doing? Today is a rainy day, very wet day.
In 1,000 feet arrive at the destination on your right.
And a delivery. The delivery is for 3 hours. The time right now it is 11 to 5 p.m. So it should be shiny. It should be shiny, but as you see, because of the clouds, it is not. Anyway, we are here. It says it's 19. And that says the house is... Yeah, that's the wrong house. It is number 12 and we should go to house number 19. But it is very bad to deliver in two weathers. The first one, which is like winter, snowy, and the second one, it is very bad to deliver in a rainy weather. But what should we do? People has to do their job, right? It is box number 31. 31, this one of course. Anyway, I suspect that this is gonna be a nice delivery, a quick one. Hopefully it's gonna be nice. It is rainy. I think I have to wear my raincoat. I have a raincoat. I like it and I don't like it because it makes me feel very warm, but at the same time it protects me from all the rain. Alright, the next one is not that far away.
U-turn, then in 900.
Alright, let's just move.
Navigation started. Continue northwest.
Anyway,
900 feet, turn right.
tell me in the comments. Tell me in the comments which weather do you prefer to do deliveries in. The ultimate weather for me, it is the sunny weather. That's the perfect weather for me to do deliveries. I am very late for this delivery. It should start 4 p.m. and now it is 5 or 8 to 5.
500 feet arrive at the destination on your left.
8 to 5. But anyway, who knows? Maybe I'm gonna do it even before that. It's not this one. It is the wrong one. That's a very tricky delivery because of the... Oh yeah, that's good. There is a way to go in. It is folder book and a box. Folder book is 26. 26. I think they are these. Yeah, they are together. Okay. This delivery is gonna be the rear door. Oh my god, dogs.
Navigation started. Due north on B520. Then in 3/4 of a mile to the left.
I like people who have driveways, especially in when it is very hard to park outside. You know, I like that. Imagine that I have to if I have to stop here. Look, it's very tricky. Very tricky way to stop here if you have to stop. Oh, look at the house, one of the very amazing houses. It has very nice fence, and look at it, it is as if it is a castle or a palace.
Destination on your left.
This delivery is gonna be a post office delivery, and I don't know how am I gonna be able to record such a thing, but to wear this necklace.
Turn left, then arrive at the destination on your left.
Because I don't want to be wearing this camera on my head
Arrive at the destination
while doing this delivery. But thankfully I have this necklace. It comes with DJI. Just 2 deliveries, 99. They are folder box, 99, 81. This is 81. Let's find 99. $699 681, and you have to go inside and find a staff. Hi. Where is the boss? The boss office?
Right here.
Ah, here. All right. You have a QR code? Ah, this one. All right. Thank you. While I'm here, why don't I buy one of my favorite drinks? Hopefully to find it. Don't know if I'm gonna find it. Alright. Yeah, I found it. That's correct. This is my favorite drink. It is ice, sparkling water. I
184, please.
Do you have 100 in your book?
No. I'm 100 here though.
Oh, yeah.
No,
all done.
That's it.
Thank you.
I'm 100 here.
So guys, this is one of my favorite drinks. So this is one of my favorite drinks. It's ice, sparkling ice, and kiwi and strawberry. It's very nice with vitamin, no added sugar. It's very nice. It tastes very amazing, and it's very nice. The sparkling water. Very amazing. That's nice, refreshing. One problem with this packaging, with this bottle, it should come like this, guys. This one is very useful. It's very useful for people who's driving. So you can just grab it and then you open it like this and you drink and then you close it. But this one you have to open it. You have to open it like this. That's not handy. Very bad experienced user. But very nice taste.